Hello, my name is Liliana Andriani and I own Angel Jewelers. I am here to welcome you all to our second annual Shinola Trunk Show. To me, it's very important to be very selective on the product that I bring to my customers here in Rancho Cucamonga and the Inland Empire communities that I serve now for 3 decades. Shinola, it's a company that designs quality watches from Detroit. Today we have DJ helping us for the second time personalizing the watches, bringing more knowledge of the brand and the product directly to my customers, and also bringing the latest designs.
Hey, this is DJ with Shinola. We're here again, Rancho Cucamonga at Angel Jewelers. You know, a lot of what their product selection is consisting of are things that are a little bit more special, things that you're not going to find at your average department store. So that is, a big part of Liliana's business, and that's a big part of what we do as well. It's always been really important for us to work with people, especially on the independent front, who are able to deliver that message to, kind of local communities. So what you'll see from us, like coming in fall, is colorways of some styles that you may have already seen from us before, but they're going to come in some really special modifications or really special detail.
Take advantage of this wonderful opportunity. Come and visit us and see our wonderful and unique exclusive Shinola collection available at Angel Jewelers.